Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function DAVERAGE. D stands for database. So basically, this function examines a list of information and produces the average. Let's see the syntax, understand the formula with an example. So here we have a database, data list where we have the sales figures for various sales group for various regions. So we'll try to calculate the average of few of the criteria. So let's see how to do it. So the syntax is, let's use, so we want average sales of chocolate. Sales, sorry, the average, open the bracket, database. So first argument is database. So we'll select the database. Okay, comma, the field. The field is from where we want to calculate the average. So we want to calculate the average from the total field. So we'll select this field, then comma, criteria. Criteria will have uh, two segments, that is the heading and the record. So it's sales group. From sales group, we'll take chocolate. So we have to select these criteria. From the heading sales group, find the records chocolate and calculate the average from total fields. So that would be our syntax. Database, field from where we want to do the average, and the criteria. So let's close it, close the bracket and enter. So if you see, total average sales of chocolate is 16 lakhs 98,000. So we have chocolate sales for across all regions. So what it does, it sums up all the value and makes the average. So since four records are there, it will sum up and divide by 4. Now let's see average sales of Chennai. So all the sales group, but only for region Chennai. So how do we do that? Equals to the average, that is database average. Database, we need to select the entire database. Next argument is field. Field from where we want the average. So it is, we want average from total. So we'll select this field total. Then third argument, comma, is the criteria. So in criteria, there will be two segments which we need to select. That is the field and the record. The field is our region. So from region, find the records Chennai and give me the average from total field. Yeah, that's how it reads. Now close the bracket and enter. Yeah, let's understand with another. The average, database, comma, field, comma, the criteria. Yeah, close the bracket. Average sales of coffee. So the average, open the bracket, database, comma, from the total, comma, the criteria, sales group coffee. Close the bracket, enter. So we get the sales, average sales. I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. I'll see you next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.